Solar tiles are seriously changing the game for people wanting to go solar without messing up their roof's look. So, here's the thing. If you want your entire roof to actually work for you, solar tiles can cover more space than those bulky panels, which means more energy. They blend right into your roof, so it doesn't scream "solar panels here," which is perfect if you care about how your house looks from the street. Plus, if you're already planning to replace your roof, slapping on solar tiles at the same time can save you a ton of hassle and money down the line. Installation might take a bit longer, but it's worth it for the seamless style and efficiency. Just remember to check that your roof structure can handle the tiles because they can be a bit heavier than regular panels. Also, keep an eye out for warranties and guarantees since solar tiles are still kind of new and might have different coverage than panels, and don't forget to see if they work well with your local climate. Some solar tiles perform better in certain weather conditions than others. One of the biggest mistakes with choosing solar tiles instead of regular solar panels is underestimating the upfront cost. Solar tiles usually cost more initially, so budgeting properly is key. Another common issue is not checking the compatibility of solar tiles with existing roof materials, which can lead to installation problems or damage. Always get a pro's opinion before buying. Lastly, ignoring local building codes or homeowner association rules can end up delaying your project or causing legal headaches. Make sure you know what's allowed before you start. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking you up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about solar installations and roofing. It also helps contractors get steady work by connecting them with homeowners ready to make smart home upgrades like solar tiles.